Welcome to the tutorial on how to do a basic ANPR setup of a TVT camera onto an A1 TVT recorder. ANPR stands for Automatic Number Plate Recognition. Please note that as well as the A1 machine, it must be an A3 LR camera. We start off by going into settings at the bottom left of the screen. Then, we click on the AI event window on the screen. Under the AI event heading, we click on LPR, which stands for License Plate Recognition. As you can see, I've got my defined area that I have selected, and that the enabled checkbox is ticked. I've got my schedule set up for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It must detect number plates, as well as detection areas. I can also have up to 4 blocked areas, which means that I can set up additional detection areas. In my case, the number plate is set up to Africa, more specifically, South Africa, for the purposes of detection. Then we have our minimum and maximum number plate size, as well as also detect the absence of number plates. Meaning that the system has got the ability to alert you if there's no number plate present. Display range previews the area, according to your selected setup. So should the camera detect a number plate, we've got various ways of recognizing it. With up to 16 databases that we could have customized the outputs, like welcome staff member, welcome customer, danger criminal and welcome back customer. For different databases, we've got different functions. This is one of the most powerful features, as we can associate number plates to a database, as well as have different outputs highlighting what TVT does best, in the best possible way, is to provide information to your fingertips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay updated for more how-to videos.